Hello students, let us discuss an important property of d block elements, that is formation of colored ions. The characteristic properties of transition elements, that is variable oxidation state, formation of complex ion, catalytic behavior, magnetic properties and colored complexes. That is, in this session we are going to discuss about the d block elements, a very important property, that is formation of colored ions. As we know that transition metal and its ions have partially filled d orbitals. That means it have unpaired electrons in it. These unpaired electrons get excited to the higher energy level from lower energy d orbital to higher energy d orbital as shown in the figure here. This excitation is taking place by absorbing the radiation of a suitable frequency. That frequency lies in the visible region. So the frequency which is generally lies in the visible region is absorbed and it get excited to the higher energy d orbital. So the colored observed, that is actually corresponding to the complementary color of the light absorbed. So this is what happening in the case of transition metal and metal ion, that is the excitation of electron from lower d to higher d. So this type of transition is called as dd transition. That means the excitation of electrons from lower d orbital to higher d orbital. So the coloration is shown because of this excitation. Colors of some of the first row transition metal ions are shown in the table, that is in the textbook it is given. So when you compare these ions and when you compare its electronic configuration, that is the outer electronic configuration, it is clear from that here in the case of a scandium 3 plus ion, because there is no unpaired electron, that is because it have the configuration 3d0. It does not have any unpaired electron. Therefore, no excitation takes place. Therefore, it is colorless. Similarly, in the case of next one is also, you can see 3d0. 3d0 means all electrons are paired in it. That is, inner orbitals are fully paired and there is no electron in 3d. So, it shows that all are paired electrons. So, there is no unpaired electron. So, no excitation takes place. So, it is colorless. So, the coloration is actually due to the presence of the unpaired electron present in that orbital. So, usually in the d orbital that is partially filled in the transition metals. So, they usually show coloration. So, the coloration question will be usually based on in this way. The two examples will be given. For example, the two example will be given, the scandium 3 plus and vanadium ion, that is vanadium 3 plus is given. So the question will be asked, prove that which one is colored and which one is colorless. So how you show that or how to reason that which is colored and which is colorless, that is in the configuration. So you need to write the configuration and you have to show that since here there is no unpaired electron in the case of scandium 3 plus, so therefore it is colorless, and in the other case there is an unpaired electron, so it is colored. So the question usually arises in this way, that which one is colored and which one is colorless. So your answer is in the configuration. So presence of unpaired electron shows the magnetic, that is paramagnetic behavior, and the presence of unpaired electron show the coloration. So this coloration is actually depending upon the factors, that is factors affecting colors. The colors of transition metal compound is determined by the difference in the energy between its d orbitals. So it depends upon how much is the difference in the energy between its d orbitals. So what are the factors which is affecting the colors? That is ligands. The ligand are affecting. Ligand will be going to discuss in detail in the next chapter, that is coordination compounds. Then strength of the metal ligand bond, coordination number, oxidation number. So these are the factors which is affecting the colors. So this is what we have discussed about the coloration in the transition metal ions. So what is the most important point in this session? That is presence of unpaired electron. If unpaired electron is present, then excitation is taking place and then only it result in the coloration. So that is more important point here, presence of unpaired electron. So this is all we have discussed in this session, that is about formation of colored ions in the D block elements. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.